So let the rain of your presence fall on me every day that I live, with every breath I breathe. Let the rain of your presence fall on me everywhere that I go. Lord, let your presence flow, rain on me. Let the rain of your presence fall on me every day that I live, with every breath I breathe. Let the rain of your presence fall on me everywhere that I go. Lord, let your presence flow, rain on me. Love divine, oh my God, joy unspeakable, overflowing in my soul. This heart of mine is refreshed and at rest in your presence, in your presence. Love divine, joy unspeakable, overflowing in my soul. This heart of mine is refreshed and at rest in your presence, in your presence. Let the rain of your presence fall on me every day that I lived, with every breath I breathe. Let the rain of your presence fall on me everywhere that I go. Lord, let your presence flow, rain on me. Rain on me. Lord, rain on me. Let your presence, let it fall on me. For you open the pathway to your presence by your blood, by your blood. Rain on me, rain on me, rain, rain, rain. Rain on me, drench me with the rain of your presence. Lord, I don't want to be recognizable when I come out of your presence. I want to be like Moses, like let his face shine with your glory, with your glory. Rain on me, just drench me in your presence. Just rain.